Have you ever wondered how to create your first ebook to boost your coaching business? Today, I'm sharing exactly what you need to know to get started to impact with your ebook. Hello, it's your favorite Southern coach, Jackie D. McKeever here. I'm here to show you how to create your first ebook for your coaching business. This is a step by step guide to help you turn your expertise into engaging and a profitable digital product. The best way is to watch with a pen and pencil. Let's dive in. The first thing you want to do when creating your digital product, you want to identify your topic. This is the first step in creating your ebook, identifying the topic that resonates with your audience. Think about the challenges your customers or your potential customers face and how your expertise can solve the problems. It needs to be a simple win. Don't make it complicated because your goal is to get them into your high ticket offer. So, my suggestion would be to pull from your high ticket offer without giving it all away. An example is if you are a financial coach, your ebook might be budgeting tips for financial freedom. Want to make sure you use high demand keywords. The second step in creating your ebook is you want to outline your content. Once you have chosen your topic, it's time for the outline. Break down your topic into manageable sections or chapters. Each section should address a specific aspect of the topic. Okay. You want to make sure that in each section, here's the situation or the problem, steps to solve it, here's the conclusion. Okay. So make it easier for readers to follow and understand. Here's the question of the day. The question of the day is real quick. I What topic have you been thinking about creating your first ebook with? Let's brainstorm together. Put your comments below. The third step is to write your ebook. Now, writing your ebook is simple with tools like Google Docs, Canva. Create and format your ebook. Make sure that the writing is clear, it's engaging, it's packed with valuable insights. Remember to use high demand keywords in it. Remember, your ebook should reflect your voice, your expertise. Okay. So if you talk like me with a little Southern charm, your ebook should have a little Southern charm in it. Okay. Because it's showcasing you, not the next person. So if you're not a great speller or writing makes you nervous, there's plenty of tools out there to help you translate your speech to text. You can use tools like Google Cloud, Google Play to find those tools. There, so don't worry, honey. There's plenty of help out there. The fourth step is to design your ebook. Okay, it's crucial when you're making it. Your design is appealing. You may want to use Canva to create a professional looking cover and layout. Make sure your design aligns with your brand. It's easy to read, including high quality images and graphics. Make sure your book is more engaging. If you feel uncomfortable with this, you can, after you have used the speech to text and write your book, you may want to go search in places like Fiverr and Upwork for assistance with the cover and the layout. The fifth step in creating an ebook that is both profitable and that will boost your coaching business is you want to promote that thing, honey. Promoting is the key with your ebook success. You want to share it on social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, wherever your audience is. You want to reach a wider audience. You can even share it on LinkedIn, wherever your audience is. Want to use email marketing. That's a powerful tool. Send your ebook to your subscribers, encourage them to share it, because sharing is caring. The sixth step is you want to sell it or give it away. Decide whether you're using your ebook as a lead magnet or a tripwire to grow your email list. Platforms like Gumroad, PayHip are are easy to use and easy to distribute your ebook. If you chose to give it away for free, you can capture leads and nurture potential clients. This strategy will help you build like, know, and trust relationship and convert leads into paying clients. If you want more in depth strategy, step by step client guidance, sign up for my free Tripwire Sales Funnel series. It's designed to help you create irresistible offers that convert. What you want to do is you want to click on the link below in my resource section of this YouTube video's description to get started. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss another video. Let's build great empires together. I'll see you next time.